Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Express. I'm your new host Trevor. We are going to unbox 这东西叫什么? Today we are going to unbox a Bocoice Bluetooth speaker. A sticker here. It's cardboard. It's a cardboard. Here we got a menu. Another menu. This may be the main body of the speaker. We got a USB port. It's a Type-C USB port, and a single sling. Whoa. It's a 3M sticker. Sometimes people use this kind of thing, stick to the back of a cell phone, yeah, as a holder, and you can just push it back to save more space. And we got a suction cup. Ooh, another one. The third one. This might be a sticky pad for replacement of this one. As you can see here, the blade speaker is very small. It's slightly smaller than the diameter of a credit card. The user interface designing of this blade speaker is very neat. There are only 2 buttons on the edge of it and a Type-C USB port. And you can switch from the Bluetooth mode and the FM mode. But by our testing, you just forget about it. Let's turn it on.
I'm high above the world I used to know, and I'm far from any danger, safe from any failure. Guarding at the shelter in the storm.
Now let's try it with this tea box, which is made of, I guess, iron sheet. Push on the function button. Whoa, it's much more louder. A water cat. Whoa, holy fuck. A water cat. This part is best. The manual tells us if you have another one, you can match it together as a stereo sound. It's a stereo sound field. It's louder. But I cannot tell which one is left, which one is right. Treasure box again. The Bocoice blade speakers can be put on any smooth surface with a thin hollow body and plays music in a higher volume. You can enjoy yourself in the bathroom, on your saddle, in your helmet, and variable situations. For any subscribers interested in buying the same one in the video, feel free to click the link below. So that's all for today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.